So currently we are standing on the rooftop of Field Museum. We are here for collecting cosmic dust.
Cosmic dust.
Yes.
Up here?
Yes.
The views of Chicago's skyline and Lake Michigan are fabulous, but it's the acres of Field Museum rooftop that fascinates scientist Basil Salim and museum program director Rudy Alvsmeyer.
It's really special. I've done a lot of fun things here at the museum, but this one is definitely unique.
But finding that space dust isn't easy. Usually scientists travel to the Antarctic or remote places where there's little man-made pollution to find the micrometeorites that survive the fiery trip through Earth's atmosphere. Some 40,000 tons of space dust per year. But instead of an expensive expedition, they thought, why not just take a look on the roof?
This is like a zero-budget space mission. Going to Antarctica is not that easy. Going for a deep-sea expedition is not that easy. So here, you just come to the rooftop. You just come with a magnet. That's our secret weapon.
And here's that weapon, a long, powerful magnet anchored to a metal pole suspended from a pair of ropes. A simple concept to snag some pretty rare dust.
This was a design that Basil came up with, so really we're just trying to cover a lot of surface area and pick up any magnetic debris so that we can essentially look at it later and see what we have and ideally find some micrometeorites.
And like modern-day chimney sweeps, they use a broom to dislodge dust from the rooftop gutters, then sweep a magnet covered with paper to pull out potential space debris.
Take out the magnet. Yes, we have the dust here.
Then it's down to the lab, where the dust particles are put under an optical microscope for sorting.
These are the magnetic particles that we collected from the rooftop.
They're looking for the round balls called spherules, a signature shape forged by burning through the atmosphere.
You can see here, this one, this one.
Those spherules are sorted out, then put under a scanning electron microscope for an even closer look.
And we are going to look more magnified. We are going to look into more details of these spherules to confirm whether these are cosmic dust or not.
And this is the telltale sign, a burn scar that makes the tiny meteorite look like a ball of yarn.
So it's a rapid heating as well as cooling. So it will produce a specific type of texture that is mostly common for these micrometeorites.
Finally, they perform chemical analysis for nickel, iron, and chromium, elements common in space dust.
So now we are confirming, okay, this is something which is from outer space.
I think it's amazing to find stardust, cosmic dust on the roof in an urban area.
Philip Heck is the field's top meteorite scientist. He says they've even been able to determine where the space dust comes from.
This cosmic dust comes from a variety of planets. Most of them come from asteroids, from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, but some of them come also from further out.
After a journey of millions of years and billions of miles, these tiny specks of stardust will join their big cousins in the field's display of meteorites from all over the world, as the scientists head back to the rooftop to wish upon a star. At the Field Museum, Dane Placco, Fox Chicago.